Alright, this is Juliet Holt. I made a blueberry pie today, or cobbler. I had one half cup of melted butter in there. Then I had a cup of milk, a cup of flour, and a cup of sugar, and 3 cups of fresh blueberries. And I didn't have any fresh blueberries, but I had blueberry pie filling, and I put that in there. I videoed this and putting it together, and then it didn't take, so I'm having to do this now. But I had made this, and last time I made this, I made it out of strawberries, and it was good. Let me get this. But I used a blueberry pie filling. This cooked, and when this cooks, the flour and the crust and everything will bake over the blueberries, and it'll be so good. I wish the camera had been working right when I put it all together. But I'm going to put this in the oven, and when it gets done, I'll bring it out and show you what it looks like. Let me get this one. Alright, I have got the pie out of the oven. The blueberry strudel. And it looks so good. It's still hot. I just now pulled it out of the oven. But there you go. Give me a little bite. But don't that look good? See how it tastes. I'll have to wait till it cools off a little bit. That is so good. Absolutely delicious. Another bite. That's good. If you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to see another one. Thank you. You have a good evening.